Today we will talk about uncountable noun. An uncountable noun is a noun that cannot be counted. Uncountable nouns do not have a plural form, and they cannot be used with numbers. For example, the word water is an uncountable noun because it cannot be counted. We cannot say one water or two waters. Here are some more examples of uncountable nouns. Food, rice, pasta, bread, cheese, milk, water. Matter, air, gas, dust, sand, water, electricity. Abstract concepts: love, happiness, sadness, anger, thought, knowledge. Other, information, advice, furniture, homework, luggage. Uncountable nouns are often used in everyday speech and writing. They are also used in many different types of literature, such as poems, stories, and essays. Here are some of the features of uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. We cannot use numbers to count uncountable nouns. For example, we cannot say one water or two waters. Uncountable nouns cannot be used in the indefinite article a or an. The indefinite article a or an is used to refer to one countable noun. For example, we cannot say a water or an air. Uncountable nouns can be used with the quantifiers some or much. The quantifiers some or much are used to refer to an uncountable noun in general. For example, we can say some water or much air.